There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2023 Dodge Challenger GT Hemi Orange in pitch black. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, orange brake calipers, performance suspension, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 16,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, sport mode, orange interior accent stitching, Alpine audio group with subwoofer, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number D7587.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.